Here at Country Chevrolet, we pride ourselves in stocking a diverse range of both new Chevrolets and clean pre-owned vehicles. And with our new vehicle lineup, we work hard to design some special custom vehicles to appeal to the style of our broad base of customers. And this week, our pick of the week is one of the newest custom vehicles. Hello, my name is Steve Carter, and today we are excited to announce a new partnership with 3rd Century Conversions with this incredible Remington Off-Road Edition truck. This truck started out as a 2018 Silverado 1500 LTZ crew cab loaded from the factory with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, sunroof, heated and cooled leather seats, trailer brake controller, and much more. 3rd Century Conversions then transformed the truck to what you see now. This truck includes a BDS 6-inch lift kit, 20-inch Remington battle wheels wrapped in 35-inch Dick Cepek tires, Gibson stainless steel dual exhaust, painted smooth fender flares, power retractable steps with LED lighting, Remington Off-Road Edition badging, and the gauges have been tastefully changed to brushed aluminum. Come on down and see us for an up-close look at this truck or any of our other incredible inventory, and be sure to follow Country Chevrolet on Facebook and Instagram for daily inventory updates and highlighted videos every week. Country Chevrolet, where you will always find big city selection and small town hospitality.